good day. My name is Dorlene Puerto and I am 20 years old and I am from Minglanilla, Cebu. And why I choose BSHM? Because it is a pathway for my achieving goals and my dreams. And I want to become a chef someday and I want to work in a cruise ship. Yes. And that's my goal. And I am a working student and this is a path na more experience gani for BSHM. And then why I choose CTU, it's because mo ni ako ang una nga na approve gani or naunag sud na ako nga kanang pag-enroll na ako sa college. And wala na ako gidugay na kanan ako ang tawagan na ako nang gi-grab ang opportunity. And that's all. Thank you.